Hey guys, and welcome back to the Cryptoverse with me Sanchit, where we talk all about crypto and help you understand the key concepts of crypto in a very beginner friendly way. Today I'm going to tell you what exactly a MetaMask wallet is, why you need it, and how you can create a MetaMask wallet in less than 5 minutes. But if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you never miss any video that I post. And if you're not following me on Twitter, do follow me so that you can get access to all my crypto content and you can profit from that. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, so what exactly is a MetaMask wallet? Well, MetaMask is one of the most popular non-custodial crypto wallets and is used to store your crypto in a safe manner. Now, as you might be aware that some of the bigger centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, WazirX are what we call the custodial exchanges who essentially have full access to your crypto. Now, in case of a hack or a scam, you can potentially lose your crypto. We have seen that, with Mt. Gox, which was hacked in almost 2014. Then we had a lot of different hacks, recently being Coinbase was also hacked for a small amount. Now, we have seen multiple such hacks in the past few years. Hence, it is very important that once your portfolio gets to a decent size, you're not putting all your eggs in the same basket and you're using these different wallets to make sure that your crypto is safeguarded. Now, MetaMask is just one of the many crypto wallets that we have, and there are other popular ones like Trust Wallet, Yoroi, etc. etc. But today we're going to be talking about the MetaMask wallet, which is a Ethereum based wallet. And so let's understand how we can go ahead and set it up. Alright, so the first step that you have to follow is that you have to open up any browser. So you can install MetaMask on Firefox, on Edge, but my personal preferred browser is Google Chrome. So I'm going to use that for today's video. So the next thing that you have to do is that you have to go to a website called metamask.io. And this is the official website for MetaMask, and it's very important that you're not searching for MetaMask on Google's search window. Now, there's a lot of scam sites, phishing sites which are fraudulent, and if you install any illegitimate version of the MetaMask wallet, you might lose your crypto. So it's very important that you go to the official website. So once you've gone there, so you will get a page like this. Now, MetaMask is accessible across a variety of different platforms. So you can install it on your laptop, you can install it on your phone. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the laptop version. So we are going to go ahead and click on download. Now you can install MetaMask on Chrome, on your iPhone, on your Android phone. So there are no differences in the step. It is basically works exactly the same way. So you just need to go ahead and select whichever platform that you would want to use. Once you've decided and once you've clicked on this, you click on install MetaMask for Chrome. And you get a page like this which says that if you want to go ahead and add it as an extension, click on add to Chrome. So I'm going to do that. It will give me a safety warning, so I'll click on add extension. So once I've done that, so my antivirus will just check whether the file is legitimate, and it's always recommended that you have a good antivirus on your system. And once that is done, it will take me to a page like this, and I'm just going to play with the fox a little bit, and then I'm going to click on get started. So using this particular option, you can either import an existing wallet to this account, or you can set up a new wallet altogether. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on create a wallet. It will ask us that whether we are okay to share our feedback and our data. So I don't want to share that, so I'm going to click on no thanks. The next step is that we need to set up a password. So this will be your password for the MetaMask wallet. Always remember it, don't share it with anyone. So once you've done that, this is probably the most important part of the whole setup process. Now, typically, every crypto wallet has a secret recovery phase, and this is basically used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password, or if in case it goes corrupt, or if you have any issues. So your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is like a master key of your crypto. So always make sure that you're never ever kind of forgetting this. Make sure that you write this down and save it in a very very safe place, and never ever share this with anyone, including people with or people from MetaMask. Never ever do that. If somebody is asking you for the secret recovery phrase, that means that they are a scammer and they want to steal your crypto. So don't do that. The next step that you have to do is click on next, and this is where the recovery phrase will actually get accessible. So if you click on this padlock like symbol, so you can actually kind of reveal the 12-word recovery phrase. So once you click on this, it will take you to the next page, in which you will have to kind of write it down. So always make sure that as soon as you click on reveal, you write it down on a piece of paper, or you memorize it. Don't take a screenshot, that is not recommended, but on the next page you will have to kind of input this. So I'm not going to do that right now, but it is a very very self-explanatory step. So I'm just going to click on remind me later, and now it just says that everything is ready. So I'm just going to click on X, and this is basically my MetaMask wallet. So it shows that currently Ethereum is the default, I would say, currency of MetaMask, because this is a Ethereum based wallet. So as you can see, I don't have any Ethereum right now. And one of the important things to understand is that through MetaMask you can access all the blockchain networks. So for example, currently we are on Ethereum mainnet. So right now I can access any decentralized application on the Ethereum mainnet, okay, like Uniswap or SushiSwap or anything of that sort. Right, so that's how you go ahead and create a MetaMask wallet. And what I'm going to do is, in the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can access the different blockchain networks like Binance Smart Chain, Phantom Opera, which is FTM, and others, and how you can access the decentralized applications using MetaMask, so that you can use the DeFi kind of projects that we have, as well as a lot of NFTs, as well as a lot of yield farming kind of projects that are available on decentralized exchanges. So I'm gonna be covering that in my next video. So I hope that you found this video useful, you were able to follow the steps. But if you do have any kind of questions, you can always reach out to me on Twitter. And thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.